What's up, y'all? Just want to come out and do a quick video because we're getting some rain, and I'm very excited about this rain because my seeds are all in the ground. So every single seed that I wanted to plant is where it needs to be, and now we're just waiting on the temperatures to rise a little bit more, and hopefully we will be seeing some progress. If you look at these areas right here where you see this little white stuff, that's peat moss. That's where all of my seeds are. Straight down, straight down, straight down, and then I have some other things in between. So yeah, this is a good rain, y'all. This is the type of rain that comes down, but it's not too hard. It's not washing things up and flooding things out. It's just slowly putting moisture into the ground. It's amazing. Yes, this is what I'm looking for, y'all. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for moisture, not puddles. And that's one problem I had at my other garden. It always flooded because it was downhill. But this garden is actually uphill. Y'all, we've been having some crazy weather. We have literally had all 4 seasons. Okay, what is that? Let me get that out of there. Trash. Okay, so we have literally had all 4 seasons in the last couple of weeks. We had snow just last week. Stay tuned for that, for those pictures. It's been crazy. But I'm very thankful for the rain today. And I'm going to get out of the rain because it's starting to get a little chilly. But I just wanted to come on and say, I feel like it's a good time to plant. It's a great time to go ahead and plant. Because like I said, all I'm waiting on now is for these temperatures to rise. And then hopefully I'll start seeing some little sprouts coming up out of there. Yes, indeed. About to get on the inside now. Stay tuned for the snow pictures. Thanks for watching.